Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I got a request to do a TA on Roku, and I wanted to look into it because I remember having a setup on Roku. I didn't take this trade. It was just an example trade of what I would have done to actually take like a swing trade on Roku, and I would have been stopped out so fast. I would have been stopped out of so fast. Again, I mean, I didn't risk much at all, honestly, but I would have been stopped out extremely fast. This is really nasty. I didn't know that Roku was going down this hard. I really don't think that this is gonna. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. I think Roku's gonna keep going down extremely hard. And I actually think I'll be completely honest, right? I'll give you guys a really good, like, not a really good example, but I'll give you guys like a really good idea of where I think Roku's going. So let me see. So it had an extremely hard violent close on the weekly, which is it's disgusting, dude. Like, that is nasty, and it just closed another bear week too. So in 35 days, it went down $118. That's where I think it's going. I think it's going to 120 bucks. But look at that, right? I thought it was gonna do a complete reversal, and from here, right, from this area, I thought it was gonna bounce off the 296 because it had really nice support here, right? Obviously, it did have like a double top, kind of like that W pattern, but still, like I actually thought it was gonna have really nice support and bounce to the upside. I thought it was going to be a really good swing on Roku. Turns out, this thing decided to like crap the bed, which I have to assume that this is related to news. This has to be related to news. There's no way that you see drops like this on something that may be considered big tech, and it's like dead like this. This is a insanely crazy drop. Like, I mean, from these peak highs from 491. I mean, it's dropped what, 63%. Like, that's insane, right? Like, that's absolutely insane. Like, I have no idea why Roku would even be close to dropping something like this, right? I mean, we can put like we can have some sort of, let me see, does it have, oh yeah, it does. There's plenty of structure here. I'd do something like that, probably again like right here, then again like here, and then again here, and then again like right there. I think these are too close to each other, and that would be a solid right there. Take that off. That's good. Yeah, I mean, this one you had a really nice drop from, there's no resistance whatsoever from 295 all the way down to 230, which is why you saw that large drop. But I think it's going down to, let me see. I'd say at least I'd say it's going down to like 134, which is the next level down. Um it doesn't look good, man. Like, this is insane. I mean, like I said, I think this has to be news. This has to be something related to news, honestly. Like, I really doubt that. I mean, I can this is already a point 0.7, yeah, 0.786 drop. Like, this is already past the retracement level of point 0.5, like the golden number of point 0.5 or point 0.6, right? Like, this is kind of crazy. um I don't think you're gonna see a drop on a recovery on Roku. Honestly, it doesn't look like it. At least not soon, right? I mean, you can maybe see some sort of sideways trading, but I think ultimately you're gonna be headed down. Like, it looks absolutely insane. Yeah, there's definitely like signs that it may recover like a small amount. I mean, I can probably see it recover to like $200 and then dropping. But yeah, no, this thing's definitely going lower. I mean, look at this close on the weekly. Look at that. Yeah, and it's a violent close, right? Because you're already oversold, and then you're already closing, a portion on the top for the reverse MACD. So, you're definitely going down hard. But it doesn't. I mean, you don't see big drops like this without news. I'll tell you that right now. Look at that. I mean, you have a double top. Usually you probably like retrace down to like 292, like two like this level, right? You go back to like 295, 294, maybe 230, and then bounce from here. Like you don't see these kinds of drops without it being news related. And I really don't keep up with news, not like really not at all. But that's why I had my TA set up to have a bounce from here, right? I thought it was gonna bounce from like here on this area and then go back up to maybe like right here somewhere, like the point two area of recovery at least. That's what I thought. I thought I was gonna go from down here up here, maybe trade sideways and then run up again. But yeah, this is definitely 100% news related. There's something that happened with Roku that, for whatever reason keeps dropping, because Roku I would consider like like not big tech, but it would definitely be up there. So unfortunately, to whoever's holding, it sucks, man. Roku doesn't look good at all. And I think it's gonna keep dropping, and I think it's gonna go all the way down to like 130 ish, 120, 130. I would not be surprised to see that in like the next month or two. So, I hope if you guys are holding bags, they're not too big. But yeah, this thing looks kind of crappy, man. To be honest, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.